what I ate today eating for less than $25 a week, day 3. For breakfast, I had some seasoned potatoes with 2 over medium eggs. It took about 15 minutes to make and it was delicious. I had a little chicken salad for lunch. I know people are gonna come for me in the comments for not eating enough, but I wasn't hungry, so I'm not gonna force myself to eat. I'm not gonna die. I'll probably eat more tomorrow. For dinner, I had some chicken and rice with a little bit of the canned tomato chopped up with sriracha.